welcome to Pedia and this is Shabha. So today in this video we are going to discuss one more very important topic, and that topic is related to a serious concern these days. The kind of climate change we all are witnessing, it's a serious concern, and that is indirectly impacting our Indian economy in a big run. Now the topic goes around like this, that is impacts of climate change on Indian economy. I'll provide you a gist like what are the major pointers you need to mention in this topic, how you need to introduce this topic, body part of it and the conclusion. But before this, a wrap up of our discussion like how in general we need to introduce a topic, introductory part, conclusion and the body part. So when I start with any topic, I always tell my students that yes, there is a basic structure, a kind of an organized structure, a hierarchy which needs to be maintained while you are introducing your topic. Like the 5 important key things that you need to mention in your introduction. How it goes around is, first, greetings to everyone, just revive. If you have heard the previous videos, you need to revise it out, and if you are new to it, you need to just remember the 5 key essentials. I'll go one by one. First, your greetings to everyone. It can be the wishes, good morning, good afternoon, or simply the greetings. Second comes what is your name, and you are going to introduce the group discussion, right? So you have to tell about yourself and you have to name the topic also. Now something like this, today's topic is quite a major concern, or it's a serious concern, or it's a topic which is quite controversial, it's a proverbial topic. Any topic you can mention the dimension in this run. Third comes is any introductory line. It can be the definition, it can be the meaning, it can be a connotative meaning like any societal quote you can attach to it, or any way you want to introduce that topic. That is the introduction part. Fourth comes your opinion to that perspective, like what is your take, your viewpoint, what are the things you are to channelize this discussion. So what things you think your teammates should mention and discuss in it. So fourth goes your viewpoint. Last but not the least, you open the house for the discussion. So that's a simple way you need to introduce in any group task or group discussion. I would say it out in specific. Then the body part. What do you mean by the body part is how we converse with one another. When I talk about the conversation, it is like, okay, I agree to you, I disagree to you, I cannot relate with your pointer, or I would say I would like to quote an example, I can totally relate with your stuff. Like something where you are very polite, courteous to one another, and you are putting your pointers. Do remember, minimum of 3 to 5 times you can participate. 3 times is the minimum of your participation, and the participation should not be all at one time. It should be introduction wise, at something at the start you speak up, something in the middle, something at the end. So आपको उस डायरेक्शन में चलना है कि इंट्रोडक्शन आपकी कोई भी आप पार्टिसिपेशन कर रहे हो, आपके कुछ टाइमर्स बाद आपकी बार बार प्रेजेंटेशन दिखे. Then the second thing is, when I talk about the body part is, you need not to be very hyperactive कि किसी को बोलने नहीं देना. That's a very big no. You should be helping, welcoming others also for their opinions also. You can ask questions also to them. So there all the important pointers are already written, like try to ask them questions, and where the introductory person just ended his note, you have to provide a linkage in between. ये नहीं कोई और कुछ और point बोल रहा है और अपना ही linkage बता रहे हो, कुछ नई चीज ऐड करना चाहते हो टॉपिक में. सो डू स्पीक लाइक दिस दैट यस आई वुड लाइक टू ड्रॉ अ न्यू डायमेंशन टू दिस टॉपिक. जैसे सभी लोग बात कर रहे थे प्रॉज ऑफ दैट टॉपिक, आपको कॉन्स की बात करनी है, तो फर्स्ट इंट्रोड्यूस इट लाइक दैट. ओके, सो आई थिंक वी हैव डिस्कस द प्रॉन्स, एंड नाउ आई वुड डिस्कस अबाउट सम ऑफ आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड अ न्यू डायमेंशन टू दिस टॉपिक, दैट इज लेट्स डिस्कस सम इंपॉर्टेंट challenges, cons, whatever you want to do in that run. Then it is, yes, you provide examples. It can be real life incidents. Obviously real life incidents are more welcoming because that are the star points which make you different from others. अगर आप ordinary points दोगे, obviously very simple. अगर आप कुछ ना कुछ quotes दोगे, कोई real life incidents दोगे, examples के साथ relatable करने की कोशिश करोगे, your discussion will be very very interesting in that run. And last but not the least, I have already added कौन से sentences आपको add करने हैं, which I have always showcased in every video of mine. Do take and listen it out very interestingly. I agree with you. Let me add to just what you said. Let me provide you one data. Let me tell you an incident or a story. Then coming to the conclusion part. कंक्लूजन में एक चीज याद रखना, दैट इट इज नॉट ऑलवेज, अब एक सीरियस डिस्कशन कर रहे हो, आज का टॉपिक है इम्पैक्ट्स ऑफ क्लाइमेट चेंज ऑन इंडियन इकोनॉमी, इट्स अ वेरी सीरियस डिस्कशन, मेजर कंसर्न, ऐसे वर्ड्स ही यूज करने हैं। हेल्दी डिस्कशन थी, बहुत फ्रूटफुल डिस्कशन थी, बहुत वैल्यूएबल पॉइंट्स एक्सचेंज किए गए थे आज। सो सम लाइनर्स लाइक दिस यू कैन ऐड, एंड देन अगर आपने बाकियों को सुना है प्रॉपरली, किसी का कोट बहुत अच्छा था, वो आप रिपीट कर सकते हो, लाइक माई फ्रेंड दिस gave a very interesting point, very you can call it as a describe the famous quote, तो कुछ आप ऐसी चीज़ों को add on भी कर सकते हो। Now this is something that require कि आपको positive end पे करना है। Impact of climate change, obviously then government also need to take some steps, we also need to take some steps, awareness should be there, तो उसका ending उस note पे होगा। Every topic has a change, a little bit change in ending, so that is you need to understand कि कैसा topic है। अगर वर्सेस में दोनों चीज़ें पॉजिटिव हैं, पॉजिटिव एंडिंग, न्यूट्रल एंडिंग रख दो। अगर पता ही है कोर्ट हमें क्या बोल रही है, हार्ड वर्क इज अ की टू सक्सेस, आप इसके अगेंस्ट नहीं बोल रहे हो, तो इसका भी पॉजिटिव एंडिंग हो गई, राइट, वन साइड वन डायरेक्शनल। तो यू हैव टू थिंक वन डायरेक्शनल एंडिंग है, न्यूट्रल एंडिंग है, या इसको एक पॉजिटिव पर्सपेक्टिव पे छोड़ना है कि ओवरकम, हमारी जनरेशन इन चीज़ों को फॉलो करे, अवेयरनेस हो, ताकि ये चीज़ों को ऑल द प्रॉब्लम्स, ऑल द लैप्सेस कैन बी ओवरकम वेरी इजीली, right? And then what are the important things which I would like to mention? Conclusion सारे ग्रुप के बिहाफ पे होता है, आपका इंडिविजुअल कंक्लूजन नहीं होता है। आपको वर्ड्स लाइक we यूज करने हैं, अकेला I would like to say this, no, it's always a we. Try to put important points given by the different members in conclusion. Nothing important should be missed, and if you have decided to conclude, then try to write down the most important points in the paper provided to you. Now that was something important. Now I've already given you a generic idea. Now comes the important part, that is our today's topic, impact of climate change on Indian economy, and we all know that it's quite a serious concern. अभी हमने major बहुत changes हमने देखे हैं temperature में, unpredictable rainfall was there which led to the you can call it as huge loss of infrastructure was there. Laborers का बहुत नुकसान होता है, they cannot go on their routine work, that is a big problem, and that is leads to a circle, एक proper circle शुरू हो जाता है जिसमें problematic problems ही problems arise होती हैं, right? And monsoon became unpredictable. We have seen lots of things that had happened recent in this year only, and there we could say it out that it's a major concern. Increasing change in temperature is there, unpredictable monsoon rainfall is there, जिसका adverse impact रहा है हमारी GDP पे और depressing the living standards of quite a major population. Now it's a significant threat that has hindered the growth and development. अब multiple changes, natural, social, economic, बहुत perspectives में हम एक दूसरे के साथ क्या हो रहा है, linked है, तो खराब हो रहे हैं। Now there you have to give your opinion. Largest impact of climate change is a change in the pattern of rainfalls, especially monsoon, जिसकी वजह से इकोनॉमी पे, एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड पे बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट पड़ा है। I'm sure you will add important points to discussion. I open the house for further discussion. Now you might be thinking, मैम यहाँ पे तो 8 pointers हैं, आपने तो बोला था 5. This 8 pointers I've just written it out in terms की your understanding. आप बीच में कुछ eliminate करो, अपनी तरफ से add करो, most welcome. It's all about providing you a skeleton to the things, and rest is your subjective stuff which makes you different from others, right? Then the body part is there. Body part means what are the important things that you need not to miss. India still lives in villages where majority of people depend directly or indirectly on agriculture, और agriculture huge impact होता है rainfall की वजह से, तो बहुत ज़्यादा first reason ये रहा है. Second, India's agriculture sector heavily relies on monsoon, erratic rainfalls, droughts, floods. इनकी वजह से हमारी फूड सिक्योरिटी पे बहुत ज़्यादा क्या है, एक थ्रेट है. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो रीजन इट इज इम्पैक्टिंग. स्कार्सिटी ऑफ फूड, ऑब्वियसली लो इनकम ग्रुप्स जो हैं वो अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते हैं, प्राइसेस बहुत हाई हो जाते हैं. आपने देखा है बीच में यू कैन इवन टर्मिनोलॉजी इट आउट दैट समटाइम्स द प्राइस ऑफ अनियन, टोमेटोज, दे गो बियॉन्ड द रीच, एंड हाउ अ पुअर पर्सन और पीपल बिलो द पॉवर्टी लाइन could even you can say take the food, or they cannot even intake, or they are just starving out. Then it is global warming has been a big issue because of the huge climate strains. This lead to snow melt हो रही है, diminishing glaciers हैं, extreme heat क्रॉप्स पे, सॉइल मॉइस्चर पे, कल्टीवेशन पे, हर चीज़ पे प्रोडक्टिविटी को मैटर कर रही है. देन नॉट ओनली दिस, आर लाइव स्टॉक और द एनिमल स्टफ, हीट स्ट्रेस रिड्यूसेस फीड एंड फॉडर, तो एनिमल स्टॉक भी क्या है, रिस्क पे है. इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बहुत ह्यूज लॉस पे है क्योंकि एकदम से नेचुरल डिजास्टर्स आते हैं, तो व्हाट वी आर नॉट एबल टू प्रिवेंट फ्रॉम देम, एंड and it gets spoiled. Then it is there are unpredictable seasonable variability, that is like Himalayan glaciers, they were melting more and more quickly, तो floods आने के chances हैं, water scarcity के हैं, burning fossils, greenhouse gas emissions का increase होना, more frequent and intense storms, floods can damage critical infrastructure, जो हमने point किया है उसको आप elaborate कर सकते हो. देन इज योर हिंडरिंग इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ. ये सारी क्रिटिकल चीज़ें जो हैं, एक्सट्रीम वेदर कंडीशंस हैं, एग्रीकल्चर को, सोशल को, इकोनॉमिक को हर रन में क्या कर रही है, एक्सप्लॉइट कर रही है. सो बेसिकली द इम्पैक्ट कम्स इन नंबर ऑफ वेज. एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर में बहुत इम्पैक्ट है, लाइफ स्टॉक के लिए इम्पैक्ट आ जाता है, लेबरर्स के लिए हीट रिस्क ये भी इम्पैक्ट आ जाता है, विच यू कैन ऐड ऑन. आई हैव नॉट रिटन ऑल द पॉइंटर्स ओनली बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट यू टू हैव some kind of a simulation and add the pointers on your own run also. GDP की कैसे ग्रोथ है, और you can call it out as खुद से कुछ लाइव एग्जाम्पल्स ऐड करने की हमेशा कोशिश करा करो. दैट इज गोइंग टू बी अ स्टार पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एंड दैट इज गोइंग टू मेक यू डिफरेंट. आई रिपीट इट अगैन, क्योंकि स्केल्टन ये पॉइंट्स जेनरिक हो गए, बट मैं कुछ ऐसे पॉइंटर्स होते हैं जो आपका ही आइडियोलॉजीज डिफरेंट कर देंगे. Now, and when it comes to conclusion, on the behalf of everyone you would like to conclude, it was quite a fruitful, healthy discussion, or some valuable perspectives were being exchanged by our individuals. Then you have to discuss some important pointers. कुछ pointers आप अपने friends के jot down कीजिए और उसके बाद आप उसको repeat करिए and end it not on an abrupt way but with a thank you. So these were the important things which I discussed with you while we are discussing the impacts of climate change on Indian economy, right? So yes, it is impacting and we need to be aware, we need to be very cautious, and through the mutual of, you can say, by uniting together, uniting all the nations together, we can overcome not only this problem but number of problems, right? So yes, this was all, and I think you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked it out, and we will be keep on adding some content for your ideas to be evaluated, and keep on adding your good comments and your evaluative points कि क्या क्या हम इसमें interesting pointers add कर सकते हैं, so that collectively I can analyze your pointers and you can make your GD the best one. So all the best, take care and keep preparing. See you in the next one.